Y-intercept is 4. Slope is 1/2. So I'm going to find my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, over 2. Draw my line. Right? X is less than or equal to -2. So I find my -2. Find it on the graph. Less than means to the left. So everything else is done. You see where to race now? Okay, let's do the next one. Y-intercept of -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slope of -1/3, so down 1 over 3. Pretend I had a straight line, right? And this is now x is bigger than -2. So I find my -2 on the graph, right here. Bigger than means to the right. So everything else is erased, but
Open circle.
open circle. Why is that open circle?
Doesn't
Does not have it either.
But the function, because it's a function, you can't have more than one output. That's why it has to be one close.
Yes. Thank you. One of them, if one of them is closed, the other has to be open because otherwise it'd have 2 values for the same answer. And it's a function, it can't. For the coline test.
So you don't have to erase anything on that.
I did. I erased this half.
I didn't extend my line.
You picked up your pencil.
I wanted something to see.
I told you not to pick up your
I
pencil.
need something visual for my house when I'm doing my homework.
Well, but now you can all pick up your pencil and copy it. Okay. Can I draw that line? I think so. Right? Pretend I were a good artist. But I'm going to have to erase something, right?
Yeah.
What am I going to have to erase? Look at this. X is less than or equal to -2. So find your x value of -2.
So why did you use that?
Well, I had to graph it first, and then this tells me what to erase. I had to graph it first. Yeah. So where's my x value of -2? Here's my x value of -2, right? So I'm going to go down to find the y value that's matching with it, right here. And this is x is less than or equal to -2, so that means to the left, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that means to the right. I erase. Oh. You guys see that okay? Okay? Good?
So the difference on the last one was that you gave us numbers that we had to stall, we had
That's
to figure
right.
it out, and then.
And then plug it. Yeah, the difference
So this
is
one's
now.
easier.
This one I'm just graphing.
Yeah.
Yep.
This one's more-
Just graphing. Okay. Next piece. The next piece is this guy, right? -2 is just a horizontal line, right? So let's find my -2. Where's my -2? It's right here. Horizontal line. Goes this way, right? But I need my x values to be between -2 and 3. So these are my x values, right? This was y, this was x. Okay, here's my x values. So -2 to 3. So here's my -2, so I'm going to stop right here. All the way up to 3. So that's where the next place I'm going to stop. From here to here, right? Do they have an open circle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
-2.
Three.
No, because this one does not have the equal sign, this one does. So that's the closed circle, that's the open circle, right?
So would that mean that -2 on top would be open?
No, that one's closed because see how that has an equal? That's why that one was closed. Okay. So that means that this guy, did that answer your question? I'm sorry, was this the right, is that what your question was? Okay. Did I get that? You guys okay with that? Excellent. Next, the next piece. X squared, what does x squared look like?
Both minus.
What does x squared look like?
It's a parabola.
Parabola. You're fast, Reed. I didn't ask you that. It's a parabola?
I was trying to think.
Parabola? You guys got that? Maybe? Okay, let me graph it. Parabola looks something like do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. You have to make sound effects. Do-do-do-do. Okay, you got that? Okay, what do I have to erase? This is for x is bigger than 3. So let's find my x value of 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's my x value of 3. And it's going to go up until I hit it, right?
So even the left.
You see that? What's the y value there?
9.
9. Where's the 9 coming from?
3
3 squared is 9. Okay, good. But this says x is greater than 3, so that means to the right. So that means I have to continue this on forever, and everything else on the left I erase. So that's like my...
Isn't that an open circle?
Thank you, thank you. Open circle because this doesn't have the equal sign.
And for it to be a function, the reason they're open and closed is because only one x value can occupy that area, right? So that's why there's a closed circle for every open circle.
Right. Because of the vertical line test. Ta-da! All right, domain and range. Let's do it. Domain. Okay.
So the next one.
And it doesn't have to be perfect. You know how long it took me to make that? Years. Years of staring at a computer keyboard. It's just squiggly. Okay. Union, what's the next segment of y values?
9.
Why is this parentheses?
Open circle.
That's it. The end. Question. Yes, sir.